This is Thermal Valley. Ayan. Ayan, biglang nag-clear. Thank you, Jesus. Ayan, oh. My gulay. Antok pa ako. Good morning. Oh my gosh. So, it's another rainy day. Nandito tayo ngayon sa lobby ng aking accommodation dito sa Taipei. And, palabas na ako. As usual, umuulan na naman. So, meron nagtitinda doon ng mga traditional breakfast nila. So, I tried to grab itong... Teka, nalagay ko lang ito. Itong soy milk. Yung parang binili natin sa Milkshake Link. Yung dinayo natin doon. Parang titinda dito sa labas. But it's not hot anymore. Ano siya? Parang cold. Ganito siya. Soy. So parang siyang liquid na to. So yan. Tapos uminom muna tayong gamot. We're attempting to go to Bay 2 again. As you probably realize, medyo nagkaroon ng hiccup yung last attempt natin. So we're going to Bay 2 sa Thermal Valley. Ayun yung target natin today. And then we'll go back to the city, back here in the city again. Mahirap nang pumunta sa Tamsui kasi sobrang sama ng panahon na, like right now it's raining. So it's not that's not the best time to go kasi ang lakas ng hangin talaga. Hindi mo rin may enjoy yung seaside kasi sumasalpok talaga yung hangin. So there you go. So tapusin ko lang to. I'll head out. The travel from here to Bay 2 is around 35 minutes. So relax lang tayo. Pagdating doon naman, the Thermal Valley or Hell Valley as they call it, opens at 9 o'clock. So we should be good. An oras na ba? We should be good. Have a lot of time. Alright, yun. So, ang pupuntahan natin ngayon is Thermal Valley. Meron sila, oh my goodness. Merong ano siya, mascot doon. Nakakatuwa yun siya. Para siya naliligo na bear. Merong tabo. Anyway, we should be there. Mabilis lang to. This is just one tiny track that goes into Sinbai 2. Sinbai Bay 2. Sinbai 2 by 2. Right, Sinbai 2. Oh my gosh, nakakatawa siya. O, meron palang ano doon. Merong pub. Ang weird. Ang weird ng train na to. Para siyang museum. Now I understand why.
Qingpeiyou Station, Fucheng Station. 終点新北港정창역 신北港终点站新北港终点站新北港
Ayan. There you go. Ayusin muna natin yung shoes natin. Tapos, lakad na tayo. Medyo biglang lumakas yung ulan, but kayang-kaya natin yan. As usual. Guys, we made it. Nandito na tayo sa Thermal Valley. It's just raining. Meron siyang parang shade dito. And a cafe and a parang gift shop. And so, lalakad tayo ng konti papunta doon. Papatila lang tayong konti and we're just drying up a little bit. Pero if you can see, mausok na siya doon. So it's pretty hot, pretty warm. But we're gonna go there. So we'll brave the rain because there's nothing else to do. But nandito na tayo, we'll have to just go for it, right? Okay. Whew. Let's go. Guys, ito siya. Sumilip tayo. Ayan. Wow, ang init. Grabe. May iba siyang amoy. Oh, sulfur, I think. Ito po yan. This is what they call the Witch Rock Waterfall. Ayan, basahin natin. And then, ito siya. Hindi siya masyadong tranquil ngayon. Lumalaban siya today. Dahil sobrang lakas ng ulan. My goodness. Ayan. So, I don't think it flows through the ano. Kasi iba yung kulay ng tubig dito, oh. Ayan siya, guys, oh. Kumukulo-kulo pa ata. Ayan. Mausok talaga siya. As in. I'm not sure if you can see it well, but this is Thermal Valley. Ayan. Ayan, biglang nag-clear. Thank you, Jesus. Ayan, oh. My gulay. Biglang nag-clear. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Uulan, pero kaya yan. Let's go. Alright, nandito na tayo sa medyo pabalik. And we'll see, ayan. Medyo ito, panalo ito. Panalo tong side na to. Let's take a good shot here. Ayan. Oh, there you go. Ayan. Balik na muna tayo. At baka mabasa pati yung medyas natin. Mahirap-hirap yun. Okay? Okay, despite the weather, we are successful here in Bay 2. We'll just dry up a little bit. Medyo basang-basa ako. And then we'll see where the day takes us, okay? This is Ed and I'm signing off here in Bay 2 Thermal Valley. Okay, bye. Have a good day.